Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete suggested for your on Facebook. It can be on iOS or it can be on Android phone. Okay, so first of all, you have to go on Facebook mobile application and just click on the three lines which is on top side. Okay, and just scroll and click on setting and privacy, and after that scroll over and just click on settings. Okay, and it will take some time to open, and just scroll down and click on locations, and you will see here that it is off, and go to device setting. You will get an option here, click on Android setting. In the iOS you will get an iOS setting. Okay, and just scroll over and click on permissions, and just make sure you have to allow all the permissions which is stated over here, and after that deny all the permissions. So this will help to delete all the suggested for you on a Facebook app. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, goodbye, take care.